Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers, I appreciate you checking back, and new viewers, become subscribers so that you get great recipes like this one. Today we're making a Greek-inspired chicken and cauliflower baked. So it's actually going to be nice and healthy for us. What I've got here is about 2.5 pounds of raw chicken, as well as 1.5 heads of cauliflower that I've just broken up into florets. I'm soaking it in a marinade of lemon juice, and that's 2 fresh lemons, the juice from them, and 4 tablespoons of chicken stock because we're doing chicken. In addition to that, I've got 2 tablespoons of parsley that I chopped up. That's the green that you see there. There's some dried oregano in there, about 2 tablespoons of that. There's a teaspoon of sea salt and a teaspoon of black pepper, and 4 tablespoons of minced garlic. So, no fat really in there, and I did trim down the chicken as much as I could to get as much of the fat off of it as possible. Again, we're trying to keep this healthy, and if you're wondering why it doesn't look like there's a whole lot of chicken in comparison to the cauliflower, we're doing 2 things. We're trying to stretch the value of the meal, but we're also trying to keep it healthy. The cauliflower is going to help fill us up while still getting us enough of the protein that we need for our meal. There you go. You can see I've got this down onto my cookie sheet. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. We're going to cook this for about 30 minutes, give or take. But basically, we're going to check the chicken to see, as long as it's not, as the juices are running clear, if you will, we'll be good. 350, 30 minutes, top rack. Check it around 20-25. See you then. It's been actually about 35 minutes. I put it back in just because I wanted to get a little more brown on the cauliflower. There's the 35-minute marker right there, actually. You can see the marinade is still down there. So we're going to have a nice flavor through and through. But this is probably as easy as it can get. It's really almost a one-pan meal. So we'll scoop some of that out, and there's your chicken. You can see the chicken's nice and done. But again, we're trying to get some chicken as well as some of the cauliflower. That's all there is to it. It's an easy meal. Don't burn yourself. But otherwise, you know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Let me know what substitutions you make. Check back for the next video, and as always, take care.